Just 5 seconds to know if a pineapple is sweet or sour. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever stood in front of a fruit stand wondering which pineapple is sweet and which is sour? Don't worry, today I will show you a very simple trick. Just look at a small point and you will know immediately if the pineapple is delicious or not. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Extremely fast, anyone can do it. If you are a hardcore fan of pineapple, definitely don't miss this video. Save money, choose fragrant, sweet, and super juicy pineapples. Even if you have never picked pineapples before, in just a few seconds you can become a pineapple expert. It's pineapple season, and pineapples are really delicious right now. The first bite is full of juice. The flesh is golden yellow. The sweetness is slightly mixed with a little sourness, so fragrant that you can't even eat it. If you want to choose a delicious, sweet, and soft pineapple, don't just look at the size. Method 1. Look at the leaves when choosing a pineapple. Long, upright, lush leaves show that the pineapple received enough sunlight and water when growing, and the root system is strong and healthy. If the leaves are short, small, or drooping, it is usually due to a lack of nutrients, water, or light when growing, or poor soil, leading to poor fruit development. If you observe carefully, you will see that pineapples with healthy, lush leaves will have a thick canopy, like a well-nourished human body, meaning the fruit will be juicy and delicious. On the contrary, short, sparse, small leaves often have thin pineapple flesh, sour and bland taste. Method 2. Look at the color of the skin. This is a sign that helps us determine whether the pineapple is ripe and delicious or not. Normally, ripe and sweet pineapples have a yellow-green skin, similar to the color of young leaves. The outer edge is slightly green, looking fresh and natural. The pineapple is moist enough, crispy and sweet. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. This pineapple also often has a distinct fruity aroma. If you buy this type, you should eat it within 2 days. Pineapples with yellow-green skin are usually the best. If you like a slightly sour, fresh taste, you can choose a pineapple with a greener skin. This type has crispy, firm, and slightly sour flesh. This type is very suitable for those who like a refreshing taste or plan to cook with pineapple. After 4 or 5 days, it will turn yellow and start to give off a fragrant aroma. If you want to let the pineapple ripen further at home, this is the ideal choice. However, if the pineapple skin is too dark, turning orange-yellow like a withered autumn leaf, be careful. This shows that the pineapple has been left for too long and has lost a lot of water. It may even have started to spoil from the inside. It may have a sour smell or a strange taste. Such fruits should not be purchased. Method 3. When choosing a pineapple, don't forget to look closely at the pineapple eyes. The shape and distribution of pineapple eyes on the skin are important signs that reflect the quality of the flesh inside. Delicious, evenly ripe pineapples often have large, round, and plump eyes. They are evenly distributed. When touching the more concave eyes, you can clearly feel the 3D relief. Such pineapple eyes show that the flesh underneath is thick and juicy. Each eye has a significant amount of flesh underneath. When eaten, sweet pineapple juice flows out along the edges. The flavor is very rich and satisfying. On the contrary, if the pineapple eyes are small, close together, and almost flat with the skin, the pineapple usually has thin flesh. The edible part near the skin is small, easy to bite into the hard core. The taste will also be much lighter. Method 4. Observe the shape of the pineapple. Good pineapples are usually cylindrical in shape. The body is round, not too different from top to bottom. This shape shows that the pineapple is evenly developed. The core is fuller and tastier. Avoid choosing fruits with strange, distorted shapes. This often shows that the pineapple is affected by external factors during development. Leading to underdeveloped internal flesh, flavor, and quality may not be guaranteed. Method 5. When choosing a pineapple, pay attention to the stem, bottom. Prioritize choosing fruits with small stems. Small stems indicate a small, not tough core and a lot of edible parts. On the contrary, a large pillar-like stem usually indicates a large tough core, little edible parts, bland and unappetizing. Fresh pineapple stems should be bright green and soft. When gently squeezed by hand, the stem should be elastic, as if it were still fresh. If the stem is yellow, wilted, cracked or dry at the top, or smells musty when sniffed closely, it means the pineapple has been picked for a long time and has lost a lot of water and nutrients. The flesh inside may have silently spoiled. Such old pineapples should be thrown away immediately. Method 6. Use your hand to gently press on the pineapple skin. A ripe pineapple will have a slight elasticity when pressed. It feels firm but not too hard. If the pineapple is too hard, has no elasticity, it means it is not ripe. It will be sour when eaten. If the pineapple is too soft or dented when pressed, it may be overripe and starting to spoil inside. Do not buy it. There are many different types of pineapple. The shape and flavor are also clearly different. The price can also be twice as different. Knowing how to choose pineapple will help you choose fresh and delicious fruit, not being cheated when buying. Today, I'll share with you a few super simple tips to cut a pineapple without peeling the skin, without removing the eyes, and without soaking in salt water. Clean, fast, and mess-free. Let's get started. Place the pineapple on a cutting board. First, cut off the head and tail. You should sharpen the knife before cutting the pineapple. A dull knife will crush the pineapple flesh. I will show you a little trick that I often do. Take a small bowl or plate. Turn the bowl upside down. Use the knife to sharpen the blade against the bowl. This will make the knife very sharp. You can use the leaves to make tea or squeeze the juice. Don't throw away the top part, keep it. I'll show you a little trick to make the most of it. Then stand the pineapple up and cut it in half. Oh, what a delicious aroma! Take 1/2 to use. Look closely, you will see that the pineapple skin has fixed lines arranged very evenly. The grooves and slots on the surface of the skin are very even. We just need to cut along these lines. Use the tip of the knife to align and cut. In turn, the slices will be even and beautiful. Then, change direction and continue cutting along these lines until finished. After cutting, half of the pineapple is still intact. Now, put it on a plate and eat it directly. You can easily take out each piece of pineapple to eat. The pineapple pieces are even with the same size and length. No matter where you take them out, the pineapple pieces are small cubes, very convenient for both adults and children. This cutting method is quick, convenient, does not require soaking in salt water, and is extremely simple. It only takes a minute to complete. Great for entertaining guests. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you find the video interesting, please click like for me. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you. See you in the next video.